Okay. Missed my entry. It's all right. Hey Matteo, how you doing, buddy? Poseidon Therapeutics. Top mover now. Top momentum stock, top mover, top gapper. Well, above $2. So Poseidon Therapeutics presented early results from its phase 1 trial of allogeneic CAR-T in relapsed refractory multiple myeloma at 65th annual meeting. Quite a few analyst ratings come out for it as well. Hey Virgo, how you doing, buddy? I missed my entry. I didn't want to take a position. I was wanting to take a position at. I was busy getting the stream ready, and I wanted to take a position here as it broke a high. And then when I got the stream ready, I just lumped in late. So I missed my entry and I lumped in late. So I averaged down on the 9 with a view to get exited beyond the VWAP. Like 415 was really where I wanted to get in, and I got in at 430. Oh, you've got to take the prize. What's it going to cost you? A bit of time to see if you can qualify and get funded? Come on. Just take your time. To qualify and get funded is not that difficult. It's just take your time with it. The thing that most people do on those funded account challenges is they go too big too soon. What you want to be doing is looking for like $200-300 a day. That's it. Make $200 to $300 a day, and you'll get your 6% in no time. And then you qualify. Alistair will be on later, no doubt. We'll get him to keep us informed of his progress. A little bit in there. That was my average down. Hey Vols, how you doing, buddy? Hope you had a great weekend there. Looking for 450 on this one, actually. Nice. Yeah, guys, then make sure you keep that thumbs up button pressed. I'll have a 350. Been bitten today a few times. $440 the next level, I guess. Not a lot moving today, guys. Quite a lot popped up, but then kind of pulled back and not sustained. And this is the first of the ones that popped up that is looking like having some kind of energy after the fact, after the initial pop. The rest have been very crappy. Hey, Lisa. What do I think of ACXP? I think it's a pop and drop there, Armando. It went up to what, 650, then pulled all the way back and went red on the day. So that's getting a kind of double top M pattern there. So I'll come back to that if it breaks out of that M pattern. ACXP popped up, and whilst I called it out in the Discord in terms of why it's popping up, it didn't sustain, fell back below, pulled back below the VWAP and then sold off. Went red on the day, trying to come back. So yeah, ACXP. And that's the story of pretty much everything that's moved today. Pop up, no suspension. Nothing sustaining, nothing. We're not getting that continuation. Just be careful. Take your profits early if you can. And even this one, just a pop and drop. I had a little bit of a spike there, algorithmic spikes there at 8 o'clock, but pop and drop, low volume again. So you wait for the volume to kick in, and hopefully we'll get some decent moves. But right now, nothing holding. So just patience is the key today, I think. Absolutely 100% right there, Armando. Patience. It's what you've got to have. I think that's probably my worst failing as a day trader is I lack the patience. I would be a lot more. I'd probably be a profitable on the levels of Ross if I had more patience. SCXP trying to get back green and stay green again. We've had the little golden cross there at $4. Didn't go much higher though. Well, we just wait, I guess. All we can do. Oh, it's up to 410. Yeah, it can be like that. They're balls. Now the 9 is my stop loss. Yeah. So the 9 was a stop loss, but it actually cost me 10. The 5 cents. Cost me 10 cents. It's alright, still green on the day. It's a bit choppy. Very choppy at the minute as it happens. Timing can be everything as well, do you know? Timing makes a big difference. If you get your timing wrong, that could be the difference between having a profitable trade and blowing up your account in some cases. Yeah, Tesla having some volatility, is it today? It's gone green. Briefly. So many windows open here. Jeff Brands signed an agreement with Bolly John. So, that's a bit of a up and drop as well. Yeah, not below the VWAP, I'm not convinced. Let's try again on this one. A double bottom W formation for a retest of the highs, or is it just going to fake me out? Let's find out. Right between the spreads. Okay, you want to play that game? Up and down like a bride's nightgown. Well, if it gets over 450, I was expecting 450 on the breakout before, but on the second move, let's see. Well, I'll take some at 420. Well, the S&P 500 is level on the day. NASDAQ's still down slightly, but it's trying to go green. Is that what it is? Elon's at his pump and dump best, is he? We're trying to raise a bit of money. We're at 244-ish. We'll take. Well, it's back red on the day. So we're back to low, below, well, ish. It's just slightly red on the day. Tesla again. The high 243 is where it's at. Just under 244. Need to break out of this pennant. Bit of bullish volume, nice bullish pennant move. Will be fantastic. Let's back up to 420. And then we can take a look at the wider market. The FTAI, and then making another move back over $2. We'll stick with PSTX. Poseidon Therapeutic. Micro algo trying to get back to stay over the VWAP, hold the VWAP. The VWAP's at 398, that's where the ask is right now. Not a lot of movement today, guys. It's a couple of things pop, but nothing really sustained. The markets are kind of bouncing on, not fading off the Friday's closing price. Trying to go green, a bit like Tesla, trying to go green, but it keeps getting rejected. Top gapper over $2 is Poseidon Therapeutics, what we're looking at right now, what we're in. PSTX. Coming to the apex of this pennant, and we're still not broke out of it yet. Oh. Do we finally get a breakout? No. When are the robots coming? When are the robots coming? What do you mean when? What do you mean? What do you mean? When are the robots coming? I think that's my best Max Headroom impression. For those of you who are old enough to appreciate that reference. Matt Frewer. Kind of, it made and ruined his career, Matt Frewer, because he couldn't get any other parts because he was always Max Headroom after that. Talk about being typecast. Hey, Rambler. Oh, I don't like this consolidation. I thought we're right at the apex of this this pennant and not broke out. I think this is going to break down. Hey Ricky, how you doing, buddy? Hey Alberto. Come on. Tesla breaking highs again now. Testing 244.50s. 244.46 right now. So Tesla might get 250 today. It's a push. Hey time, it's a terribly slow day. I would have been out of this by now if there was anything else worth trading. I mean, Tesla's trying to look bullish, but it's an expensive old stock, is Tesla. Alright, it's 2 cents above, 2 cents below the whole dollar. It literally does not know what it wants to do, this stock right now. Just broke up out of that bullish pennant. Can it actually break out? Maybe I should put the top of this up here instead. And would still be in the pennant. Yeah. It's all subjective. Can we get a breakout? Can we get a breakout? Come on. Come on, Poseidon. Come on, Aquaman. Come on, Aquaman, have a word with your dad. It depends on the economics leading up to it, Tang. I mean, the Fed don't know what they're going to do yet. So how would I know what they're going to do? A lot of things can happen between now and next year. Doesn't want to know. Go back to 300. See, the Fed, with regards to inflation, the Fed didn't expect such a strong economy with such high inflation. and it's kind of perplexed them. So they're like, okay, well, how do we handle this? If the economy wasn't as strong, if we had higher unemployment, then we could tackle inflation by raising rates, and they've just not got a plan. They run around like headless chickens, trying to tackle inflation, trying to keep the economy buoyant, which was in itself raising inflation. So they're running around, like I say, like headless chickens, with not really a lot between them. No, that's not it. So Tesla. Breaking highs up here at upper 240, 244. High of day right now, 244.80. There's nothing really to get excited about here. I mean, I made 200 bucks on that trade, and I was what, 700 bucks unrealized to the downside. So effectively risking 700 to make 200. It's just the risk reward is just out of whack with that one at the moment. Let's get rid of this pennant here. You can all see it. But yeah, risk rewards out of whack at the minute. So we're not getting a lot of movement to the upside. Not a lot of what does move is not really sustaining. We're not getting continuation. That's Altimmune just popped up. What's that doing? Yeah, no volume. What are you guys watching? Aside from Tesla, what are you guys watching today? What do you think's worth taking a look at? But absolutely, Imran. Absolutely, that's what I'm saying. It's just not worth it. Alberto, you're looking at KPTH, are you? Right, let's have a look at that one. Let's have a look at the chart. Okay. So, Pacitea Therapeutics. It's below that $2 floor that I play with. But I've seen it spike up a couple of times. Again, it spiked up to what, 96, just under 96 cents. Pulled back, and it's been kind of hugging the 9 EMA fairly well. So rather than buying the breakout, this might be one of those that you take, you scalp it, buy the 9 EMA bounce, and when it doesn't work, you've got a bit of a soft cushion by selling the 20. Oh, well, there you go, Alberto. Is that what you've been doing, buying the 9? Earth and Honey, you're watching another small one, is it? Yeah, another. I can't get my head around trading these kind of stocks. I really can't. I mean, if you can get profitable on these, fair play to you. But for me, it just doesn't work. Yeah, this looks very choppy to me. I mean, look at those wicks. They're like 20-cent wicks. Is that price action, or is that like 15 minutes of algorithmic spikes? I don't know. You tell me. I mean, if we go back further, it looks like it's price action. If you look back further, I mean, you've got most kind of things at 7 o'clock, 7:15, or whatever it is. That just looks very choppy. Oh, PSTX is probably my pick for a gap and go. Not saying it will, but at this moment in time, that's my pick for gap and go. I think I'm just going to wait. Something a bit clearer. AMD breaking highs. There you go. Advanced Micro. Devices. Is it devices? Yeah. I was going to say Advanced Micro Machine. No, but that's not right. Advanced Micro. Yeah, I think it's devices. No, not enamored with that either. Tesla's still breaking highs. $245 now, Tesla. Just new high of day, 245. Where it's at right now. Yeah, it seems to be a lot of up and drop. So the momentum, if you're looking at a 50-minute momentum, it's like pretty much all red. Marker's going red on the day, like to. Marker Therapeutics, so that's just gone red on the day. Snapchat and barcoding. Innoviz, I don't know what catalyst Innoviz has. I can't see a catalyst, but it's the second biggest gapper on the day. And it's back over the VWAP. So now we're looking at Innoviz. I don't see any catalyst. No company specific news on this. I wouldn't say it's got good volume either. All I'm getting is among the pre-market gainers. Yeah, I can see that. I'm kind of looking for why. 860,000 shares traded against an average of 2.2 million. So it's not even high relative volume. It's kind of a little bit higher than I like to trade. I like to find stocks with less than 100 million in the float, ideally. Yeah, but Macy's, that's an acquisition. So if you look at Macy's, that's the news on that is a rumored acquisition. So if you kind of 5, so. Because it was a rumor, it seems to be pulling back, and whether there's any truth to that rumor or not. Was it 58 billion, something like that? Acquisition of 5.8 billion, I can't remember. Rumors of a bid to buy Macy's. So I can't. There's not going to be a lot of range to take advantage of with Macy's. if it's an acquisition. It's going to stay pretty flat for most of the day now. Talking of flat, S&P 500, very kind of choppy, sideways, flat pretty much on the day. The closing price of the SPY on Friday was 460.20. We got a new high of year on Friday, just to put that out there. So a new 2023 high on the S&P 500. So that's kind of bullish. So there's no reason why we can't see a new all-time high on the S&P 500 before the end of the year if we carry on at the rate that we have done over the last month or so. Yeah, I think I might do that, Mark. Might do that. Rumor has it, I heard getting hungry again and thirsty. Morning, Dunkers. How are you doing? Come on, guys, let's get that like count up. We've got a little over half an hour before the bell rings, but the markets are a bit stagnant at the moment, so let's take a bit of time and just press that thumbs up button. You know you want to. Do it now. Less than half of you have, so why not go and show your appreciation for the stream and just smash that thumbs up button. Hey, Robin. Yeah, see, I did have a big jump. I've been looking at that off and on. It's not, the volume doesn't look great on it, to be fair. But it's had a big gap up for a close to thick end of a $300 wedge, $300 stock. It's 13%, a big move. Sigma Group, but it's only on like 700,000 shares. So 700,000 shares is not a lot of volume for a float of that size. So let's see. Wait, what is it? 300 million float on Sigma Group. They've announced a 10 billion buyback increase, and apparently they're no longer going to acquire Humana, and that's why it's that's the catalyst. I'm planning on acquiring Humana, but I think it's more the buyback increase that's driving the stock price up. Yeah, guys, come on, let's get that like count up. The shot hitting some highs. Not a great volume, but it's hitting some highs. terms of momentum. Let's play around with my watch list. PSPX, top of the watch list. In it is. It's the top, second biggest gapper. I'm kind of struggling. Do I go with something like a Sigma Group? Is it an expensive stock? Probably not. Marker's only 6% up, so it's not really that much of a gap for a gap and go. Do I look at something like JTA? Jet AI, which is not quite at $2, but it's not far off. Yeah, I guess I'll stick with Jet AI. It might break above $2, and we'll see. Not a lot worth getting excited about right now. How was your weekend? What did you do? Yeah, nothing. I'm not seeing anything, guys. It's just one of those boring mornings where you just kind of sat there twiddling your thumbs. And if you're going to be a day trader, you're going to have days like this. And you've got to be prepared to accept that. Lucy, wasn't that a Scarlett Johansson movie? Yeah, but it's made a pop up to $74 and change, or 74 cents and change. No IPOs today. Absolutely, Mark. You know what? You're absolutely spot on, because I used to be sat here before I started streaming live. I used to be sat here just kind of twiddling my thumbs on my own, watching the screens, getting bored, and almost falling asleep. And something moved and I missed it. At least we can actually give each other a bit of a poke and say, look, you're missing something. You're missing something. And we can catch things as they pop. But and we can chat about nonsense that's not market related. Yeah, it's great to talk about the market. It's great to talk about world events and current affairs and things like that. But you don't have to talk about that. I mean, I'm a Liverpool football fan, so I'm on a high after the weekend, because pretty much every team that I didn't want to win didn't win, and we did. So yeah, well, with the exception of Man City, so Oil FC. But yeah. Morning, Rob. Yeah, that's the story of the day, Alberto. That's the story of the day. Everything is just pop and dropping. So what I'm waiting for now is, I guess, is wait for the open. Some of these pops, these early pops that have not sustained, might get a second chance. They might get a second wave, but right now, it's looking like a very tepid market day. So it's certainly not worth getting too aggressive too soon. Altimmune breaking highs up there at 673, 674. Not much volume. The range is not that great either. It was a recent runner, so last couple of days had some good runs. Nice one, Ed. Let us know how you get on with that one, because your experience and Gedim and who was the other one that won will help me decide whether I do promote them a little bit more fervently. Going up where? Mr. Bitchin? Going up where? Side of the house? Upstairs? Up your mom's dress? I mean, come on. If you're going to come out with a statement like that, look at Oxford going up, at least back it up with something. It's not going anywhere at the minute. It's just sideways choppy around like $56. So, yeah. What's the reason for watching 2-minute charts for the same stock? You're absolutely right. I had it 5-minute on it earlier, so two 5-minute charts. It's not. You're right to call me out on that, CC. It's just because nothing moving. I'm just, I was looking at a different stock earlier on a 5-minute chart. Didn't change it back. No, by the dip, it's very tepid market today. Just be patient, guys. It only takes one stop, only takes one move, one trade to blow up your account. No, I mean to make gold. I'm the epitome of positivity today. What's wrong with me? Alright, come on, guys. Somebody give the. Has anybody got a big stick that we can use to poke the market and wake it up? Because I think it's. I think the market's got a hangover or something. I'm even playing Christmas music to give it a bit of a cheery disposition, and it's not working. Ah, come on, Dunk, because I can't. You know, I can't. I can't be dealing with those literal penny stocks. It is still making gains. It's not quite at the high of day yet, but not far off. 95 a check. Call it 96 as the high of day. It's at 92 right now. So Passatea Therapeutics, not something that I'm interested in getting involved in yet. If it gets up over $2, I mean, it's already up 200%, so I can't see this going past $2. But if it gets up over $2 and still has momentum, then you might see me trade it. But right now, no. Yeah, the penny stock. If you like these penny stocks, I mean, there's a lot of you penny stock traders that like these penny stocks. I don't trade them. It's just part of my rule set. But if you are trading it, good luck. JTAI is the warrants are up huge amounts. JTAI Z, which is the warrant section of JetAI, it's not exactly exhibiting the same price action. The warrants are more expensive than the stock. Go figure that. JetAI. It's not great volume, though. It's terrible volume. Below $4, below the VWAP, don't like it. And the market is just very sideways at the moment. Very sideways. Choppy. You see this action? You've got the VWAP here. And the action is above, it's below, it's above, it's below, it's above. That just says that it's going sideways and choppy. So if you look at the SPY on the daily, however, it's Friday we got a new high of year. So we beat out the highs last week. Beginning of last week we beat out the highs from July. We've got a 2 new high of year from on Friday. I'm going to move that this little thing up in a second. But we're very much above this median line now. So it's very nice bullish outlook. Everything can change in an instant, but off this W here, it just moved up nicely. That's the daily, looking very, very strong. That's the annual high. Hello, sleepyhead. There you go. I'll talk to you later. Why? No, I was hunting in my emails for some stuff, some financial stuff that went missing. I was going to actually delete it. Some emails in my email account, financial stuff, but it's okay. Just disappeared and I couldn't find it, so I'm going to have to look for it again. No, it's alright. That's a spy. When someone's saying that there's a pop on SLNH. Oh, pop and drop. Soluna Holdings. That's been happening quite a bit this last few days. Move up and then right back down again. No point in making a move in the first place, but for the people that come, you know, pump and dump, pop and drop, whatever you want to call it, a rip and dip. Someone give the market a big poke with a stick. Anything. Well, I was approached by a company to promote their stuff on the channel, and I'm like, I don't even know where to start with it. It's basically they're like the stock market of celebrities. You buy a piece of instead of buying a share of a stock, you buy a piece of a share of a celebrity, and the more successful the celebrity then becomes, it increases the worth. So it's a bit like the stock market for celebrities. I'm like, that sounds well shady, but look, I was just wondering if any of you guys had heard of it. Let me just see what they're calling themselves. Where's my royalties? That's what it's called. It's they're a platform that allows you to invest in the careers of talents, is what they're calling it. So royalties with Royal TIZ. Has anybody heard about it? Any insight? I mean, they've got different categories of talent, so football, tennis, rugby, mixed martial art. Vinicius Junior apparently have got an agreement with them. Chimaev on the MMA. I don't know if it's anything, but just wondered if any of you guys had heard of them. Royalties. How much is a Tony share? That's a good one. It's celebrities, not has-beens, or never was. And never has been. Yeah, I'll have a look at it, but just one of those things, I think. It's a bit like, it seems a bit like, what do we call it? The NFT market. It's, what's it worth? It's only worth whatever it's perceived to be worth. There's no fundamental value in it, really. I mean, imagine buying a share of Vinicius Jr., one of the upcoming most talented footballers in the world, and he gets an ACL injury. Really bad ACL injury. How does that affect your stock price? That's like, you know, yeah, it does. It's NFT 2.0 market, exactly. I never got NFTs the first time around. It just sounded like one massive Ponzi, and I was right. I mean, people don't talk about NFTs anymore. 2 years ago, NFTs were all the rage. 2021, everybody was talking about NFT this, NFT the other, and now nobody wants to know about them. It was massive Ponzi. It's a way to launder money by the looks of it. Oh, that was a bit of a damp squib. Yeah, if you can do that with music, you can actually do that with music, but it's actually within the industry itself. So you can actually invest in a band, or put up money as part of that, and then if they go on, they sign contracts that if they go on to make millions, you get shares in that success. You can actually do that because artists are now being pumped, and the brand is a business. So if you get in early on one of these artists, just a small share of it, your claim to fame. You either get lots of money back or free tickets. Win-win, or both. Tickets. That reminds me. Need to buy some Ed Sheeran tickets for herself. Cogent Bioscience is down hard this morning. Why is Cogent down so bad? This was a $9 stock last week. Part one of its phase 2 clinical trial for mastocytosis. It's not great. So this came out on Saturday. Not great results from a phase 2 trial on non-advanced systemic mastocytosis. So that's why Cogent is down so big. This is the thing with bioscience stocks. Wouldn't invest long term in bioscience unless you really know what you're doing. I mean, you can get the Pfizers and the Modernas and things like that, which are success stories, but the majority of bioscience, the down, particularly the ones that are down here at like $3, $4, $5. There's a reason why they're priced at $3, $4, $5 because they're up and down like a bride's nightgown. They'll have a moment in the sun where they'll go up to like $25, and then they'll have a sell-off and be back down under $1. Just be careful Well, 8 minutes, just 8.5 minutes to the market open, and hopefully it's been a very tepid, lukewarm pre-market, so hopefully we'll actually get some action at the open. Hopefully we'll get some action in the first 15 minutes that can take us to goal, and we can go home early. Would be nice. Not a lot of market news today. Let's have a quick look at the news. India's economy follows China. Biden administration to ride out this last year. Domino's Pizza upgraded by benchmark. Oxy upgrade to buy by Crown Rock. Oh, Oxy to buy Crown Rock in 12 billion deal. Yeah. Trade station advert. US futures tread water. Yeah, with that. CPI on the horizon, Fed on the horizon. BlackBerry names new cyber chief head, cyber security head. Yeah, there's not a lot of. I'm just looking through the headlines. There's nothing really to get excited about on the headlines, news-wise. Very, very tepid day today. Let's see what the market brings. We've got about 6 minutes, then we can see what's happening on the market. Might get a little bit of movement. Biden is still my watch for a potential gap and go. There's not a lot else that I'm excited about, to be fair. Most things popped and then dropped. No trade Monday get him. Yeah, well, that's understandable. I've had my dinner. Should probably bring some snacks later anyway, so just brought me a nice drink, so I've got a good lady there. What have we got? Five minutes. 5 minutes. Now let's see what happens when the market moves up. There's no catalyst on Innoviz though. It is approaching that high of day, 230. Even that high of day is kind of artificial because that was really the 8 o'clock spikes, wasn't it? Oh, this is probably a new high, a legitimate high of day. The 8 o'clock algorithmic spikes kind of hit that. Let's go back. Yeah, algorithmic spikes is why it's up at 230. So 220 was really the high of day. We're over that now. Let's see. Bit of a bullish bull flag type scenario forming here. Volume, big volume candle on the upside, but then no continuation on the volume. Look at that for a pullback. Which one of the 3 scanners behind me do I like the best, Willy Wonka? They all serve different purposes. See the momentum scanner tells me what it gives me an idea of if something's sustaining the move, but also it's real time. So the others, it's every 30 seconds, refresh every 30 seconds. Whereas the momentum scanner is real time. So I'm looking to that for real time moves at key moments of the day. But I would say for me, the one I use the most is probably this one here. This scanner here, the surging scanner, or I'm a momentum trade, so I'm looking for surging scanners to the upside because I'm long biased. So the gap scanner here really is something I'm looking for, the gap and goal. But I would say the surging scanner that I've got there is it. But I also look at the signals and the rolling news as well. That's a big thing for me. But I'd say it's anywhere between the surging scanner and the momentum scanner is really what I get most out of. So look, guys, we've got market is now open. I've changed the scanners over. And if you could just smash that thumbs up button, I would really appreciate it. Just hit the thumbs up button. My watch for gap and go was here. Over the VWAP, over $4, that'll be really what I'm looking at. Let's get. Yeah, smash that thumbs up button, guys. We didn't manage to get 50 likes before the bell, so at least get 50 likes after the bell. Come on. Sort it out. Hey, Fark, you're a bit late today. I don't know what you mean by respectful and sociable now, but okay. No, but it's not like 3 years ago. You're absolutely right. Pulling all the way back to $4. Looks like it's stopped me out, but look, I'll get back in if it moves. Smash that button, guys. 7 more of you. Less than half of you have actually hit the thumbs up button. So come on, guys, sort that out. An imbalance there. I know it's been a quiet, boring morning, but I can't control the market, guys. If I could, I would be controlling the market in my favour. Smash that thumbs up button. Some big movers to the downside. Not much to the upside though. Oh, snap vomiting. Snapchat. Tesla vomiting. Ooh, look at that. The momentum chart is all red. The momentum is definitely to the south side at this moment in time. Patience, guys, patience. So, you know, wait for that to go green and get over $4, and then it does that. Yeah, guys, that's still not got 50 likes on the channel, but you know, I'm gonna have to stop streaming entirely. I will. By the way, I'm not streaming tomorrow, just because you won't give me 50 likes. So I'm gonna throw my toys out at the pram, and I'm gonna just trade on my own tomorrow. It's not true, by the way. I'm actually not trading at all tomorrow. I've got a birthday that we're going to, so I won't be streaming because I'll be got a birthday going to one of her friends' birthdays. So looking for some action. I don't want to be doing a double top on me right there. And devil horns. That's shocking. That should be okay. Nah, now you're being a bitch. Come on. $26 plus 30 cents, which is pretty much the 9. Ah, cheers. Oh, it's not my birthday, get him? Not my birthday till the new year. But it's one of her close friends, so... She said, do you have to work? I'm like, no, I'm my own boss. Don't have to trade. Right, now I guess we just wait for something to present itself. Taking a boredom trade, that's what that was. I don't mind trading a firm, I mean, it's a decent stock, but like I say, boredom trade. Seriously, you're gonna fake me out like that? Day 86, I'm looking for 90 on the bid. Need a new high of day. Yeah, I saw that. Just broke out the JTAI over $2. Okay. Now over to VWAP. Now I've got to wait for it to back over $0.25. IONM, I don't touch those penny stocks myself, but good luck on that one, Mr. Bitchin. If you're trading it, good luck. I wanted the bounce on the V1. Yeah, well, there you go, Robin. Momentum trade, that one, no doubt. Are we breaking out, or are we just gonna faff about here at 225 all day? Volume top wasn't even the high of day, so bit choppy, but we'll see. Is it going to sustain? Well, the markets are going green. The NASDAQ is 0.26%, 0.28% up now. The S&P 500 is just about to go green on the day. Again, morning, Neith. A little bit late today, you okay? Yeah, no, you know, it's one of those. I'm not taking another trade unless it's a good setup. I've taken 2 boredom trades and I'm already a day down. So I'm a day's gold to the south side. So I need to do a double day's gold just to get to goal. I'm just gonna wait. On scope, no, I don't like it. Red to green move. Or for biomare fusion, maybe. Over $13 could be interesting. Why are you shorting Macy's? I mean, they're getting acquired, aren't they? Vols? Yes, I'm breaking highs. Nice, is up there at $20.30, or $20.20 right now. I'm not seeing anything clean right now. Maybe 96. Or 13. S&P 500 just choppy around that 460 level, 460.20. Oh, SPY very choppy around that Friday's closing price. Cogent. The view up might be interesting if it holds. Yeah, I think that's pretty much the market today, boss. It's not doing as it's supposed to. Oh, get him. Well done. When you start your funded account challenge. Origin is looking like it's kind of reverse. Music needed to be restarted. I am using speakers, yeah. Oh, you've not been... There's Christmas music intertwined in there, Brandon. Patient. Patient. Got a couple of carols in there already. Oh, I've got a headset. Just right here. But it's actually not. That's not what's causing that distortion. It's something other that I'm aware of that I need to address. There you go, Brandon. Keep Brandon happy. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah, to say the least. Dry is probably the worst thing. It's a polite way of describing it. Yeah, I've got to stop trading on Mondays, I think. The usual Monday red, absolutely. Just need the one stock though. Only needs one. A horrible trading day so far. Where did I get in here? Well, it's a double bottom kind of looking like. Break out and make a new high, then should be okay. No worries, Brandon. I'll be back at it again from 8 o'clock tomorrow, buddy. Same as, well, no, I won't be tomorrow. I'm having the day off tomorrow on Wednesday. 8 o'clock Wednesday is the next time. Well, most of the stocks I trade daily, Vols, are crap stocks. To be fair, they're not usually shortable. That's fine there, Alistair. You see, I think we established over a year ago I shouldn't drink and trade, and we're going celebrating one of her friend's birthdays, so probably not a good idea. Well, CMEG does okay for shorting, but it's just if it's hard to borrow, it's hard to borrow, and it's just an extra cost. Paying for low cates is just a pain in the hole, and if it's on the short sale restriction, it makes it even more difficult. Yeah, I prefer going long. I've got my setup. It's all set up for a long bias trade. I can short, but it's a little more convoluted. So all my hotkeys, all my hot buttons, and all the trails and stops and things are all set up for long bias trading. So that's why I don't like to go short. It's just not as easy for me. Talk about choppy. This is just not conducive to profitable trading. Let's have a look at minimum. Oh, nice. Everything I'm touching has got Midas in reverse today. JTAI looking at breaking out now. And cents on the range. Let's have a look at it minimum. Oh, and I'll give it a go. To hold $4. Now that dip. $0.10 on the spreads on minimum. $0.14. It's a 5-minute low. To me. I should have got out for when it broke $4, but I wasn't quick enough. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Mondays lately, to be fair. Yeah, well, that's me stopped out, and I think making a habit of Red Day Monday, aren't I? Yeah, I was aware of that, Alistair. That's some volatility on Mason Solutions. Why? Had no volatility up until that point. 10.14, 10.19. A minute. S1. Recent IPO. Let's have a look at this. It's like a gap down, quite a sizable gap down as well. Oh, not. Maybe a level. Let's see. Level resumption. It's probably going to be a 10-minute halt. Oh no, it's a big gap down. A big flush down. Not so much a gap down, it's a flush down. Spreads on this are just horrible. Look at that, 50 cents. Whippy spreads. Oh, not touching that. Not touching it. And I brought the pre-market high. I'll take a look at VLO in a moment when I get out of this trade, buddy. No worries. It depends on your what you're looking for, Mohammed. You're looking for index-linked ETF, but you know, long-term high gains. Then something like a T-triple-Q. You want a leveraged ETF. If you're looking for something that's just going to give you the, I mean, the daddy of ETFs is the SPY. Which is S&P 500. It pretty much tracks the market, and you get 8 to 12% annually on average across the board. If you go with something like a triple Q, you probably get about 10 to 14%. A T triple Q, you get about 30 to 35% annually. Now playing ball with me here. Not getting that 10 cents. It's one done 10 cents. Depends on your definition of the best. There are ETFs out there that are performance. I mean, if you there's ETFs out there that are just tracking Tesla. Now they're going long or short on it. So that's actually outperforming the triple Q right now. There's an ETF out there that it's shorting Jim Cramer's predictions, whatever they are. So it depends on what you display. It's all about personal preference and what you're looking to get out of your investment. Not offering any advice, and just not a financial advisor. But standard ETFs, index-linked ETFs are probably your safest bet. But in terms of performance over the long term, something like a TQQQ is a very good ETF to grow your money over 5-10 years. Come on, give us that 10 cents. Just not playing ball with us. TQQQ is great for that. If you're going to be effectively, lump sum averaging every month, then the TQQQ is fantastic for that. Invest. Oh, give me that 10 cents. Not even giving me bloody 5 cents here. $245 when it breaks a high. It's up at 280 already then, Gerald. If you're looking for the breakout, then kind of 255 was a good entry down here. Sort of a decent entry, 255. Pre-market high was 263, by the way. But yeah, 260, 263 for the test of the pre-market high would have been a decent entry as well. That's what I was going for, at least the break of the pre-market high. Just think your numbers were a little bit different on the chart there, Gerald, but I see what you mean. The break of the pre-market high was just before I got in, so I waited for it to break pre-market before I got in, and now it's kind of I've added to the position on the way up. Still wanting that 10 cents. There's no harm in taking profit if you don't get to your goal, but my goal on this is a new higher day. Ouch. $45K's worth. Yeah, this is me done on the day, I think. Okay, so Valero Energy up there at 123.68, and it's up not even but 0.75% on the day. Okay, there you go, buddy. Yeah, I'm locking this down after this trade, whether it goes in my favor or not. Just nothing really. No real quality setups so far today. Good stuff by the dip. Yeah, but Mondays are always bad for you because you're following me blindly. Stop doing that. I don't make monies on Mondays lately. Lock it in, Vols. It's not a good day, buddy. It's not a good day for trading today. Very choppy. Things are popping, but they're not following through. There's no continuation. So just be careful. If you're getting green, stay green. I mean, I've been red from day one. First trade onwards, it's been a red day for me today, as it is most Mondays. Mondays are not good for me for some reason. And I'm not trading tomorrow, guys, so you'll have to find a different streamer to watch tomorrow. Next time I'm trading is going to be Wednesday. So we're back on Wednesday, 8 o'clock. I'm having tomorrow off. Macy's. Thing is with Macy's there, Tom, it's an acquisition, so it's just going to range between 20 and 21 all day. So if you're looking at getting in Macy's over $20.50, what do you hope to get out of it? It's going to range sideways between 20 and 21 most of the day. Well, unless that rumor is debunked of the acquisition, in which case the price will fall, or the rumor is confirmed, in which case it will move up to whatever the buy price is. It's just going to range between 20 and 25, 20 and 21 Macy's, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Yeah, Gerald, 4 working days a week probably is the best. Oh, 3 days. Let's take an early Friday. What's Yeah, intact, but it's not like that because you've got to take into account the spreads as well. I got got what info from Brunzinger that it's an acquisition. Yeah, yeah. Rumored acquisition there, Macy's. That's why you get that flat line pattern. If 5.8 billion buyout offer for the company. Just trying to find out who it was. Doesn't say who the investor group is, but it's a 5.8 billion offer to take it private. It doesn't say who it is that's involved in the offer or running the offer. It'd probably just be beer. I might have. It depends on what they're drinking. The locals aren't big wine drinkers, Alistair. We'll probably be on the old stallion, the red horse. Although they do like the Tandwai, the rum. We'll see. We'll see what's on offer, where it's at. You know, I kind of go out of my. There's a New Zealand run store up the road that imports wine, so that's where I go for my wine. It's mostly Australian and New World wines, which I don't mind. You're holding it too long. You're looking for that new high. Looking for that new high of day. Hold it too long. Come on, give it to me. It's close enough. Sent off. Yeah, it's annoying the hell out of me right now. There's the new high of day. Oh, we want the continuation. Come on. Well, it's the first bit of green I've got on the on the chart today. So let's see. So even if I'd just put the stop in there, I would have got it pretty much the same place. So can't complain about that. Macy's up at 2070s. I'm not convinced with the volume on that one though. GTHX, G1 Therapeutics. Although it's looking fairly strong. Volume's not great though, it's hit and miss on the volume. I will buy the 9. Doesn't break out. It's looking devil hornsy at the moment though. 5-day, 24. So I've got a $0.25 to get over, and then we can start scaling back in. So halt level 353 to the upside, 358 to the upside for a moment. Not seeing E double N. Is that a penny stock? Is it there, Alan? I had 10 cents. The ATR on the 1 minute is currently it's just shy of 15 cents. So I had a 10-cent trailing stop, Gerald. I'm going to put that in. Penn Entertainment, 7% up on the day. It's not great range, not very volatile. It is moving up. It's looking strong, but it's not very volatile. You want volatility, you want volume. The volume's not brilliant either, but it is looking strong. It's hugging the 9 EMA fairly well. So when it pulls back to the 9, that you could use that as a trigger. But I mean, the range, 5 cent range, not very volatile, as I say. You've got yeah, not much of a spread. It's a penny on the spreads. It's a much higher cap stock than the trash that we're trading down here. A minute left of this 5-minute candle. Getting higher lows still. Problem with cassava is it's always extremely thickly traded. I'll take a look later, love. Don't worry. Hi, sweetie. I'll be done in about 10-15 minutes, sweetie. Okay, I'll play with you then.
Mother, go change my name for them.
Five days, 328. Here we go. Bit of Christmas. Bit of Christmas. We all like a bit of Christmas. What the hell just happened? Oh, it's teasing. 328 again. Make sure if you're trading cassava as well, make sure you factor the spreads in as well. You might have 15 cents on the range, but your spreads might be 10. You know what, I'm just coming out of this. I'm going to take a break and look for a bit more in a second. There's a chance for getting this back, but I don't think I'm going to find myself over goal at the end of the day unless something pops up and starts to really move. And nothing is right now. GTHX pulled back. Blues consolidating just over $3. JTAI, yeah, Jet AI, it could over the course, but it's a slow burner. It's a slow burner. Buying the 9 seems to have been working. That's why I bought that last dip there on the 9 for a move back up. But I'm glad I got out where I did because look at it now. So yeah, I mean, I think I'm done for the day streaming. If you're in the day trade with Tony community, I'll be in the Discord for probably another half an hour or so. And then I'll be calling it a day until Wednesday. So no live stream tomorrow. I'll be say out with the missus and some friends. So I'll be back on Wednesday at 8 o'clock. Come join me then if you want to get into day trade. If you're not a day trader, or if you're struggling with profitability and you want to learn a bit more about day trading, come join the Day Trade with Tony community. I'm happy to take you under my wing. If you want to find stocks to move right now, if you're not on Benzinga, I've got a code for you, 2324, or 2423, I think it is. I've got a code for you that's 65% off. It's exclusive and it's not going to last forever. So get on it now. The code is 2423, and that'll get you 65% off your Benzinga. And the link is, as always, is the link tree there. All the links are in the link tree or in the description. Check them out. And in the meantime, I'll see you on Wednesday. Okay, guys? Yeah, I will always stay hydrated. Enjoy, Gerald. Reach out to me if you have any questions on that, buddy. Okay, and I'll see you all on Wednesday. Take it easy. Hopefully, we will get green at some stage today. Hopefully something runs and we can get on it. But it's not looking likely at this moment in time. It's going to be a slow burner if that's the case. Man, we've come back from what, nearly 8k down to 5k down, so that's almost half. In the meantime, I'll see you on Wednesday.